Greetings. This is Carl from the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning, and this is a tech tip. Today we're going to look at creating a link to a YouTube video that starts the video at exactly the point that'll be most useful for you in class. And that link will work in anything from PowerPoint or any other source that you may be using. And here we go. For today's example, I'm going to show you how to bring that link into a PowerPoint presentation. So we've got our PowerPoint presentation here, our beginning slide, and then our second slide where we're going to actually insert that video link to highlight a couple of points that I brought up previously. So I'm going to highlight that wording that I put down there, whatever that may be. Click on link. Now you see here I need an address to get this web page or file. So I'm going to go over to YouTube. And in YouTube I've pre-selected a video and I've brought my slider to the point in the video where I want that video to play. So I can skip over that first 6 minutes, which I don't need for this particular instance. And then roll down here to share. And you can see here my URL for this particular video comes up. Now, if I want it to start at that 6:05 point, I can just click this box down here. And you can see that some additional information gets added to that URL. I'm going to copy that, go ahead and close out of that, and close this video so I can show you another point as we go through, and then just paste this URL into that box. Click OK, and my video link becomes live. Now I want to show you something here. So if we start our slideshow from the beginning and go through our slideshow, we get to our slide with our video link and we click on that. Now you can see here it starts with some ads, which I don't necessarily want to do. So I'm going to pause this, click skip ads, pause my video here. Now, if I go into prior to class and open up these video files, all my links, and then reduce them down into my toolbar there, I'm going to escape out of this PowerPoint for a second, and I've got these video links reduced down in here. Once I start my slideshow from the beginning again, and I go through my point, my second point, and then click on my video link, it's actually going to start right where I want it to be.
There, right there is where I laughed so hard my water broke and I wasn't even pregnant.
And then once my video plays, I can pause it or close out of it altogether and then continue on with my slideshow. And there you have it. If you have any questions on this or any other aspect, please send us an email at cetl@une.edu. Be well and have a great day.